Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Bodycam model and firmware. This matters because menus vary. Once you have admin access or physical control, power on the camera and unlock it. Navigate to settings immediately, don't waste time in other apps. Make sure the unit is charged above 20% or connected via USB to prevent shutdown during changes. You do this now so the rest of the process completes without interruptions, and so you can locate the audio or voice chat option in the next step. Now go into Settings and choose Audio or Communications. That label differs by model, but it's the same function. Once there, locate Voice Chat or Push to Talk and tap the toggle off. This disables outgoing and incoming live voice channels. If a confirmation appears, accept it so changes persist. Make sure you also check any linked app on your phone or docking station settings because some systems mirror voice chat. Disable both. After saving, reboot the device to ensure the new setting applies fully. To finish, restart the Bodycam and run a short test recording to verify no voice chat transmits. You should hear only local mic audio, not live chat. If it still connects, inspect any paired mobile app or server-side policy that re-enables voice chat and turn it off there. As a troubleshooting tip, if settings won't stick, reset audio settings to defaults, then repeat the disable step. If that fails, update firmware or contact your administrator, because device policies can override local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.